I did call you.
Back the up. Back up.
There's no one inside. Please let me go home. Please, I have to go to work.
What happens when Karens who used to get their way all the time end up in jail? Entitled people think they are always right, but what happens when these people finally face the results of their actions? They have to face the truth about what they've done. These cases of Karens show what happens when they get what they deserve. Janine and Quorna on April 23, 2022, started like any other. But then a police officer noticed a car going the wrong way on a one-way street. It wasn't just a small mistake, it was dangerous. So the officer pulled the car over. When they got closer, they saw a bottle of whiskey on the passenger seat. The driver didn't seem to realize how serious her actions were.
Hey, Officer Lozano, Cross PD. You know why I pulled you over? Because you're driving against one-way traffic here.
I'm coming to get my niece out of that bar. She's probably coming to get her out of the bar.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine, but do you know that this is a one-way street?
I thought you was walking one way and half a block. By law.
Huh?
By law, you can walk one way and half a block.
No. You can't drive against traffic. It's a violation. It's a traffic violation. You can't drive against traffic.
Is that really why you just
Okay, so what is it?
Can I have your driver's license, ma'am, please?
This woman turned out to be Quorna Hull, who was Janine's niece. She talked back and made it hard for the officer to understand what was going on. Quorna kept interrupting, which made it hard for the officer to do their job properly. What she was doing could have led to charges, but she refused to move out of the way.
Have you been drinking?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Come on. Come on.
Where are you coming from?
Why does that matter?
I'm not talking to you.
I don't care.
Okay?
Why does
I'm
it
not.
matter?
I'm not talking to you,
It doesn't
man.
matter.
I'm not talking to you.
You pulled over for a little bit. You asked for her license. She couldn't give you her license.
Yeah. I'm not talking to
But
you.
I'm talking
Okay.
to you, so hurry up with your process.
The more the officer tried to talk to her, the more Quorna pushed back. She didn't respect the officer's authority and acted like she was the one in charge. But what she was doing wasn't right. It was like she was trying to protect someone, but was breaking the law in the process.
Hey, ma'am. Hey.
Don't talk to me.
I'm Sergeant Playing of the Cross Police.
Cause he on that should make sense.
What? Maybe I can help explain it to you.
I don't need to explain it. He just asked for her license. She finna give it to him. It ain't even nothing else. He asked her all type of, what you doing down here? She picking me up.
Well, no,
Where
man,
you coming from? Why does that matter? Like, you her daddy?
No,
you finna ask for her
I'll
social
explain
needs?
it to you. We don't need the social.
He just said, what are you doing down here? She said, I'm finna pick my niece up.
Anytime.
He said, where are you coming from?
I'll explain it to you.
Why does that matter?
Every traffic stop an officer makes, we always ask where they're coming from, where they're going to. It's just basic questioning, okay? And are you family or? Yeah, are you family?
Yep, I'm her niece.
Niece? Okay. How much have you had to drink?
I had nothing to drink.
What's that?
That's not mine. I had somebody with me. I was in a concert.
The situation intensified as more officers arrived, urging Quorna to grant them the space necessary for their investigation. Yet, with every plea for cooperation, she became more determined. She refused to cooperate with the officer, which made it harder for them to do their job and could also get her in trouble.
Can I have you step out and talk to me, please?
No, I won't.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What are you finna do?
I want to talk to her.
You just was talking to her over there.
You weren't on the traffic stop. I'm investigating the traffic stop. Okay, ma'am? Please let me do my job.
You can be a doctor right there.
Okay, well, we need some space, okay?
Don't touch me.
You don't have the right
Don't
to
touch
obstruct
me.
our traffic stop,
Don't touch
okay?
me.
So then we're
Don't
going to ask
touch
you to...
You just asked for her license. She just gave you her license. Now what's the problem? Why is he trying to open her door? He don't have the right for that. He don't have the right to
You don't have the right to block our traffic stop, okay?
Your point is what?
We'd appreciate some space, okay?
What the fuck is y'all doing?
It's an officer safety thing, you being this close, okay?
He was just over there. Y'all walked up on me. I was here first. I don't have to move his ass.
No, you weren't.
You was just over there. Back the up. Back up. Better to do. Watch out.
How much have you had to drink?
I had nothing to drink.
That's my drink.
Step out and talk to
She
me.
just said she picking me up. That's mine. I'm not moving,
Just
so
cooperate with me so I can see
he don't have the right to open her door. No, she don't have to do that walk shit. Who the you think you is? It's my drink. Tell me to do the walk.
We need you to give us some space, okay?
I need to make sure you were safe to drive, man.
Stop. You have a right to talk with the driver and ask questions.
He do. He was just talking to her
one
from
that
over
was right
there.
To calm things down, the officers tried to talk about Janine again, but Quanah kept getting in the way. She kept resisting and arguing, making it hard to talk sensibly. Her constant challenges made it impossible to make any progress.
You're being searched.
Freaky ass.
Stop kicking! Knock it off!
I'm not fucking ass. Oh, bitch ass.
Sarge,
Get
unlock
my
the car
phone
so you
out
can
the
put her in.
table.
She's being placed
They
under
mad
arrest.
because they want to do some. Did
She
you
kicked
get
an
my
officer
phone?
and she resisted arrest.
Chris,
Please
give me
step
my
back.
phone. What the?
She involved herself in a stop.
I'm losing these fucking cups. I'm losing these cups. I'm losing these cups.
Here, let's go to this one then.
It's on the table. Y'all don't get my phone. Go get it. I'm not getting here cooperating if y'all don't unloosen these cups.
Okay, here's what we'll do. Hey.
Shut up, just unloosen them. Damn.
We need you to relax it, okay? Before we sit you in, we're gonna check your haircuts, okay?
Unloosen them now.
Let him check it.
Now.
But we need you to relax.
Y'all pulling my hair, y'all. All this because y'all want to overpower women. Black women out there, y'all some shut up, bitch.
When the police dealt with Quanah, she wouldn't leave and was acting aggressively. The police had to arrest. This was her fault because she chose to argue instead of following the rules.
You just said you was gonna check him and you just had him to tighten him up. He just tightened him
I
up.
locked them.
Bro, y'all some fucking.
I locked them so they don't
these
tighten.
cuffs up.
I can fit a finger, my pinky finger in both of them. They are loose.
No, this one is. How you don't tell me?
This is loose.
You need to get in the car.
Get on you.
We're going to jail. Okay, we're going to jail.
This one is tight, bro.
I can fit my whole finger in there.
Not that one. You started sticking your hand in the same one.
Right one.
I'm talking to KJ.
This is my whole finger.
Calm down.
That's shot.
KJ.
Okay.
Y'all some. KJ.
Come on.
Spit in your face. KJ, I have your phone. Just calm down.
Cuz, get in the car. I'm on my way to get you.
Calm down.
Relax.
That seatbelt choking me.
Well, lean back.
Shut up. Don't touch me.
Quanah's decision to fight instead of cooperate got her into trouble, showing that not following the law can have serious consequences.
All this shit going on down here. You want to pull me over.
Ma'am, step out of the vehicle, please.
Okay, sir.
All right, thank you. You good?
I have a limp leg.
Okay. What's wrong with your leg?
I feel.
Okay. Do you have any issues balancing or anything like that?
It doesn't matter to you.
Well, it does. I mean, if you have an injury, we could do it sitting down.
You already did what you did to her.
Okay.
So, no.
Can you please leave this?
We have a lawyer.
I'm investigating.
I have a lawyer.
Traffic stop right now. Okay.
Go call Chris Decker. Supposedly, they got charges against her over a traffic violation. No, tell him that you want a lawyer and your lawyer is Chris Decker.
Guys, I'm gonna make this real clear. You're obstructing. We're trying to investigate this. You're not helping.
We ain't instructing nothing.
Listen, if it continues, you're gonna.
Instructing nothing.
I'm gonna start with the citation, then I'm gonna take someone to jail.
We ain't instructing nothing.
Walk back across the street so we can do our job. If she's fine,
Talking about across the street. I know the
now you need to walk across the street, or you're gonna get a citation for obstructing. If you continue to refuse, you're gonna go to jail.
Get your
Am I clear?
sergeant.
I am the sergeant. Go. Yes.
They locking me up. They're locking me up.
All right, can I have them keys?
Give my keys.
Well, hey, the keys gotta stay.
I'm giving my keys to my nephew.
The keys gotta
Don't
stay.
touch me.
Here. Just let go.
Don't touch me.
Just detained right now. We just want to get out of here.
You just want to get out of here.
Yeah, it's not safe for you.
Okay. I'm black. You're right.
That has nothing to do with it.
Yes, it do.
No, it don't, man.
Yes, it do.
No, it does not.
Yes, it do.
I
So
promise you
get that
it does not.
You How am I supposed to get in here?
I got you. I ain't gonna let you fall, okay?
After everything happened, unfortunately, Janine and Quanah faced the consequences of what they did. Janine got caught driving drunk and had to pay over $1,000 in fines. Quanah got into trouble for not listening to the police, causing a commotion and trying to fight with them. She ended up being charged with some smaller crimes and misdemeanors. Moving on, we turn to the chilling case of Kayla, which is one of fear, survival, and the unexpected reactions of those involved. Kayla! On March 19th, a worried call to 911 was made by Kayla, who was seeking urgent help due to her boyfriend's abusive behavior. However, when the dispatcher asked for her location, she abruptly ended the call. This prompted the police to swiftly track her down using her phone's location. When the police arrived, Kayla's reaction was anything but calm, insisting she was late for work. She couldn't fathom why the police were there and demanded to see their supervisor. She was upset and aggressive, a contrast to someone who had just asked for help.
Police department! Police department, open the door! We're not leaving, come to the door. Open the door.
What's going on? I have to go to work. No, I have to go to work.
Okay.
I'm not willing to be late for work.
Okay, what's going on?
I have to. Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing. I have to go to work. I don't even know why you guys are here. Get away from me, please. You're making me feel. I want the chief of police here.
Okay.
Whoever the supervisor is, I want here.
Okay, he's coming.
Okay, I have to go to work. I don't have time for this, sir. I have to go to work.
Kayla said she was by herself, but the call she made before said something different. She acted strange, which made the police think something was up. She said she didn't make the call and that the number wasn't hers. But when the police called the number again and her phone rang, it showed she was lying.
So you called in.
No, I didn't. I don't know who called you. I did call you.
What's your call? Start with that.
603. I have to get ready, sir.
Okay.
I have to go to work.
We got a...
I have to go to work.
We got a call.
Hello?
Hi.
Oh.
Okay, so that's the number that called 911.
I actually have two different numbers on my
That's
phone.
the number that called 911.
Oh, you're right, it was.
They needed some help.
Okay,
So that's why we're here.
I have to go to work, y'all. I have to go to work. I have to go to work. I have to go to work. I'm not talking to you. I'm not speaking to you. I have to go to work.
Who else is inside?
I have to go to work. You guys are going to cause me to lose my job. Please let me go to work. There's no one inside. Please let me go home. Please, I have to go to work. I have to go to work, sir. Oh my God, stop. Get the away from me. Stop. Get the away from her. Get on the road. My baby's in there. My baby's in there. No, sir, I'm sorry. Guys, please! Stop! I'm not doing anything! Guys, baby, please! He's in the bathroom, guys, in the bathroom! Please go get him! No one! No, I can't find it! Officer! I can't breathe! He just tased my boyfriend for no reason!
You need to
He just tased my boyfriend!
I didn't do anything. I thought you guys were hurting my wife. I didn't do anything.
He just, no, I can't breathe it, no!
You're gonna go out?
I can't, I go!
Let's go
I
outside.
Ow. Oh my God! I can't believe this!
I gotta adjust this cup too. Okay, hold on.
As things got more intense, Kayla started saying she couldn't breathe, maybe because she had been yelling a lot since the police came. When they arrested her boyfriend, Brandon, the police talked to Kayla to find out what happened.
No, you are.
No!
started arguing and then the police got involved. I didn't do anything.
Brandon, your first name, right?
Yes,
Brandon,
sir.
all we had to do was talk about that, right?
Okay.
That's all we wanted to do when we came.
He just lost his job.
Alright.
He just lost his job. I can't afford to lose my job. Please help me. Please. Please. Guys. Please. Please. I'm gonna lose my job.
Have a seat in here.
I'm gonna lose my job. Please don't. Please, I'm not gonna run. Why would you guys handcuff me? I wasn't running.
She said she only called to scare Brandon because he was mean to her. This means she admitted to lying to the police. In Wisconsin, lying to the police can get you sent to jail.
I called 911 because he was being a douchebag. I was just trying to threaten him with cop. I'm fine. You guys did all of this. He thought that you were hurting me. Of course he came out here to help me. He thought you guys were hurting me.
Okay, you called 911.
You just tased him.
Yeah.
He wasn't doing anything.
Okay. She can go on the ground.
Oh, please.
Right.
I have to
Put your legs inside.
Sir, I have
put
to.
Your legs inside
I'm trying to talk to you like a normal person.
Put your legs inside the vehicle.
Please talk to me.
No, put your legs inside the vehicle right now.
Can you please talk to me?
No, put your legs
Can you
inside.
put the window down?
We can roll the window down.
Can I please be in the know? I want to know what's happening. Guys, please. I have to work. I'm going to jail?
No, you're not going to jail. You're under arrest right now.
I didn't do anything, sir.
Yes, you did.
So I'm going to lose the work at noon. Please.
Put your leg in.
Put your leg in or you will go to jail.
Please.
Put your leg in the car. You're going.
All right, no, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Put your leg down, please.
Put your leg in the car.
Please put the window down a little bit.
Put your leg in the car.
It's just a little bit.
How you doing, Officer Bird?
I'm okay.
Nice to see you.
I'm gonna take care of you here, buddy.
I hope there's not gonna be anything from this. Nobody's hurt. I don't feel like I'm not gonna make paperwork out of it. So if you need needle nose, I have needle nose in the cabinet.
During the whole situation, Kayla was distraught and didn't want to work with the police. But Brandon tried to stay calm. Brandon's staying calm was very different from Kayla's being upset and not wanting to help. And before we continue, if you're finding these cases mystifying, do give this video a like and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next videos. As things went on, it was clear that Kayla's call caused a lot of trouble. She said she didn't call, but when her phone rang, it showed she did. This made the police doubt what she said. Her trying to avoid the truth didn't make things better, especially when they found out there was a baby in the apartment. This made the situation more serious and harder for the police to handle.
I'll put the window down a little bit. Stop yelling.
Please talk to me. I need to know what's going on, please, sir.
You're being arrested for 1, disorderly conduct. 2, resisting an officer.
I wasn't resisting,
3,
sir. I have to go to work at noon, please.
That is resisting an officer.
Sir, I have to go to work at noon.
And 3, for obstructing an officer by filing a false police report, which caused us.
He wasn't. I called the police because he was yelling.
Okay, you told me that you just made that up.
No, I told you he was yelling.
That he was being a douchebag. You just screamed in my face.
I'm sorry. I have a baby I have to take care of.
Where's your baby right now?
In there.
In there?
Yes, sir. I have to go to work.
Okay.
Please, I have to go to work. Please. I just have to be with my baby. Please don't take him away from me.
All right. We're not going to take your baby, but we got to find somebody for him right now.
Sir, what's going on with my boyfriend?
I don't know. I'm out here talking to you. Do you think I know?
Sir, please. Nothing happened. He was yelling and I called the cops and that is it.
Okay. You were screaming that.
You guys just look for any reason to arrest me. I don't get it.
I don't even know who you are.
I'm not telling you.
Okay, well then that's another reason we're not going to let you go then.
She said that her boyfriend was being a douchebag and that she wanted him to get scared.
Yep, that's basically what he said.
Obstructing, disorderly conduct, and resisting, in my opinion.
Yeah.
So when she started screaming like she's being right now, he came through the door like
we were hurting.
Yeah.
Yeah, like we were hurting her.
Fist up, ready to go.
Does he need to go to jail over this? There's a baby in the room in there?
Yep.
Okay, so if he's rational and capable, let's leave him there based on the circumstances.
Okay. Are you gonna stay calm?
Yes, I promise.
Okay.
See,
I need you to stay calm and cooperative at this point, all right? I'm gonna have Officer Fox unhandcuff you so you can tend to your baby.
The police wanted to figure out what was going on, but it was hard because there were a lot of lies and Kayla was acting upset. She wouldn't even tell them her name. She said she was someone else hoping to avoid getting in trouble, but it didn't work.
Okay, what is your name?
Sir, I'm not yet, please. I have to go to work.
Okay, what is your name?
I have to go to work.
I'm asking you what your name is.
Why?
So I can address you.
Shakira.
Okay, is that your name?
Shakira. You can call me Shakira.
Shakira what?
Shakira Flabbergasted.
Shakira Flabbergasted. Do you have any mental illnesses that I need to be concerned about?
Can someone let me call my work, please?
Not at this time.
Can I please call my work?
Not at this time. I told you that. Because you're under arrest. Your actions are way inappropriate, and your neighbors don't have to put up with this.
Jeez, my husband? What kind of is that? There's 6 of you. You guys could have bum rushed him, you loser. Bring me to the hospital.
For what?
Bring me to the hospital.
For what?
Bring me to the hospital. I want to kill myself, and I feel like I want to kill myself. Bring me to the hospital.
As things got more intense, it was clear that Kayla was desperate. Sometimes she acted tough, and other times she asked for help and sympathy. She even talked about hurting herself to avoid getting arrested and going to the hospital instead. But the police knew what to do in these situations and stayed focused on handling things the right way.
Bring me to the hospital. I want to kill myself. I'm having thoughts of bring me to the hospital. I'd like to talk to an officer.
Okay. What would you like to talk about?
I would like to go to the hospital. I'm feeling
We're not going to take you to the hospital because you're going to go to jail, so.
Really?
Yep.
Wait, what is he doing then?
We're still working through that, but.
Sir, why am I getting arrested?
Because you created a giant disturbance here.
I didn't do anything. I didn't know that I was resisting. I was just trying to see if he was okay. Sir, please don't do this. I will swear to God, I will stop from here on out, guys, please. Please.
No part of your actions have
Sir,
caused me to believe you.
I'm trying to talk to you like a normal person right now, sir, please.
Okay. You have not identified yourself yet either.
My birthday is 10. My social security number is. Please, sir, don't arrest me, please. I guess I'm already arrested.
You are arrested, yes.
I only called because I was trying to scare him into not yelling at me anymore. I was wrong. That was wrong. I was wrong. That was illegal. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I don't know why I'm the one getting arrested.
Because of your behaviors after it.
Sir, please don't arrest me.
You are arrested right
Okay,
now.
well, please don't let me stay over the night. I promise my actions will change.
Right. I'm not seeing a significant change in your behavior, but
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll stop. I'm sorry.
just take a couple breaths. We'll talk. Hey, just take it.
No, I don't.
You're not listening. Take a couple breaths, and we'll talk when we're at the PD. Just breathe for a couple minutes. That's all I'm asking you to do.
After figuring out what happened, the police saw that Kyla wasn't innocent. She called to scare Brandon. She ended up being charged with resisting the police and causing a disturbance. Now, we're faced with the shocking actions of Kelly and Joshua. Let's discuss the details of what they did. Kelly and Joshua. On June 15th, 2022, Kelly and Joshua Zaminski were driving their car too fast. They were going about 43 miles per hour in a place where the speed limit was only 30 miles per hour. A police officer from Rhine County stopped them in Rhine, Wisconsin. But it turned out they were not just speeding.
Hi.
Why is he pulling us over?
Can you roll down this back window? Hi guys.
It's showing a gray Chrysler 300.
So I'm Deputy Buell from Steene County Sheriff's Office. I pulled you over for your speed. You know how fast you're going? What? So 44 and a 30. Copy, thank you.
Definitely gonna take that report and dispute it because that's not what my doctor said.
Okay, that's fine.
I mean, it's fine. You can give me the ticket. Oh, that's just my insurance code.
Yeah, I need your driver's license.
The police officer started the stop by asking them to lower the car window and explaining why they were stopped. But as the officer asked more questions, it became clear that Kelly and Joshua had more problems than just speeding. They didn't take the questions seriously and showed disrespect. They avoided answering questions about the car's registration, who owned it, and if there were any illegal things inside.
Who's the registered owner?
I am.
You're the registered owner?
Yeah, I'm still waiting on my plates to come in the mail, but my registration, where's my, oh, I gave it my title.
The what?
I gave my title to his mom.
What's our car?
The registration.
I gave it to her. It's in the goddamn hand.
Okay, sounds good. So you're Kelly?
Yep.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license?
I gave it to her.
She's looking
For your ID?
Oh, no, I don't have an ID on her.
Okay.
She has a license. I don't need to give you my name.
You just said it's your car.
It's both car. I never said it was my car. It's both car. I'm a husband.
I don't know why you're being so argumentative with me.
Because I have to go to work.
Right.
I don't have time for this.
You're going to work with all the kids?
We're going home.
I'm taking them home and then I'm going to work. I work at 8 p.m. I have to shower and stuff. I took my kids to the beach because that's what we do on holidays.
Okay. All right. How old are the kids?
What is that, man?
Don't know.
You don't know the age. You don't
We have a lot of kids. Is this shit necessary? Why did it take that much?
Got a rescue around at the Riverview Manor, 580 Madison.
When did you buy the car?
A life alert alarm
What?
Contact was made.
A month ago?
Want me to call the guy that's
Feeling nauseous and kidney
No.
pain. I'm gonna have
I didn't ask you to do that. Can you have that stuff? Do you have any weapons in the car you know about?
No.
No? Okay. Any drugs in the car?
No.
No? No marijuana?
No.
No cocaine? No heroin?
I said no to drugs, that's a no.
Okay.
There's no alcohol, no guns, no weapons, no knives, no drugs, no weed. I got some prescription pills.
Don't reach for anything. Okay? You guys are just being argumentative and that's a little
You're
weird
asking
to
a
me.
bunch of questions that ain't. You pulled her over for speeding. You got her name. You seen her insurance. You seen her registration. And you're still questioning how old are my kids, this and that.
Their attitude made the situation tense, especially when asked about the safety of the kids squished in the back seat, showing they didn't care about their safety. However, when Kelly and Joshua started arguing about giving their IDs, making the situation even harder with their fighting attitude.
Well, I only asked because they have to be in car seats, and there's 4 of them in a 3-person seat.
Okay, I got a car seat in the trunk. Can you put a car seat in this kind of car and fit all these kids in here comfortably?
Well, you don't have the space to fit
Obviously
in the
not.
back seat.
That's why the car seat
So
ain't
it's
in here.
illegal.
As the officer asked more questions, it came out that both of them had been in a lot of trouble with the law before. They were part of the protests and riots in Kosher back in August 2020. When the police checked the car's windows for tinting, they found another problem. This added to Kelly and Joshua's growing list of legal issues.
Are those your kids?
They're
Or?
all my kids.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you?
I don't need to give you my ID.
Yes, you do.
No,
They're
I
your
don't. By law.
5'9". Can I have a cover? They're being argumentative.
You're gonna get arrested, just give her your...
I don't have an ID on me. I said it 5 times. My name is Joshua Szymanski. C5524308506109. I tried to give her my prescription pills, had my name on it. But by law, she told me, by law, you have a driver's license.
40 is
Give her
fine.
my ID. I wasn't driving. You have a license.
Can you roll up your front window a little bit?
Can I roll up my window?
Yeah, can you roll it up just a little bit?
Oh my God, the hit me, dude. What?
Alright, that's good.
Y'all are saying.
51 front, 4 back.
The officer gave them tickets for having windows tinted too much, driving with a registration that was suspended because they hadn't paid parking fines and not following child safety seat laws properly. Each violation meant more fines, and in total, they had to pay $700 for breaking the law and not keeping things safe.
Okay. So, a couple things here. You got your citation for the violation of child safety restraint, which, looking through your history, this is the second offense for you. So you got one for that. You, sir, got the other one for the second child. So you got a citation as well. Okay. And then your registration is suspended due to 2 unpaid parking tickets in the city of Racine. So you got a citation for that.
How is my registration suspended when I just registered the car like a week ago?
I don't know. You'll have to work that out with Racine. It just says it's suspended due to unpaid parking tickets. Okay, and then you got another one for excessive rear window tinting because this is at 4%.
My law is 35% in Wisconsin. I see you need it at 51.
The front one?
The back said 50. 4. Can I see it again?
Sure, that's fine.
When Kelly and Joshua went to court, they admitted they did something wrong without arguing. But that didn't end their legal problems. A few months later, they got caught up in something much worse. They were accused of trying to rob a man with a knife in Kosher. Now, they were facing serious charges, and they had to pay a huge $100,000 cash bond to stay out of jail. And that's the end of our cases. It's a good reminder of how one small mistake can lead to big problems. Now, it's your turn to share. Do you have any thoughts or stories about similar situations? Drop your comments below. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.